Nice. Nice. Good job. Hi everyone, my name is Edeline. Welcome back to our channel. With spring upon us, we are going to show you how to make a dandelion flower, tulips, and rose petals using paint, cardboard, fork, and spoons. To make your dandelion flower, you will need paint, scissors, and cardboard. First, get your cardboard roll. Then, with scissors, make a slit around the roll, either small or big, depending on how small or big you want your dandelion flower to be. Place some paint on a plate, push the cardboard roll onto the paint, and then stomp onto the paper. You have your beautiful dandelion flower. Now we are going to show you how to make a tulip using a paint and a fork. Get your fork and press the back of 3 forks against the paint. Now press the back of the fork on some paper, and there is your lovely tulip. Rose petals. You will need paint and a spoon. Get a plate and put some paint on it. Then press the back of the spoon onto the paint. Now you are ready to press the back of the spoon to the paper and make your rose petal. For your stem, you can either pre-draw them or add them after you make your flower. To make your spring flower bloom, feel free to use a variety of different colors and glitter. Petals.
Pretty.
What is that? Pretty?
Food.
Food. Ah.
That's
Is it food? Is it yummy food?
food.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.